Hello, my name is James at Proinkshop.com. I'm going to reconditioning epson ecotank ET-3700 3700 model. Um, about about this printer from the local consumer, and customer told me it has nothing wrong with the printer. Just told me you don't need it. And I'm going to reconditioning this printer and selling back to the customer again. So let's see what's going on this printer. I ran the printer cleaning before I run the test page. I done the notch check, so there was a little cloth on the black. So I ran the printer cleaning, see if it goes away, because the printer might not be found out for a long time. So the node might be dried up. So that's why you run the printer cleaning before I do anything. Okay, check and print. Yeah, I was right. It's just not dried up. So as you see the result, there's no missing segment. Color looks perfect. But the page has been used 12,565 pages, which is probably 10,000 pages maybe later. They may need to change the maintenance box or wash it out and reset it maybe. Alright, so let's check. First of all, I'm gonna check on the cartridges. Some people calling it damper, some people calling it cartridges, but this cartridge is damper. So I'm gonna release the carriage. Right. Copy. Copy. Okay, it's released. I'm gonna take the power out. So it's in the middle. Let me get close to it. There's a little bolt on it. I'm gonna screw it. Open the cover. Cut this out. Okay. As you see, there's a little ink pushed back to the reservoir, on the yellow color, and then also red as well. Half of it went out. And it's black. I can't really see it. It's a cyan. I can't really see it because it's too dark. Might be half also, and the black also. So I gotta prime the cartridge first. Make it full. It can be happen like these are the static pressure ink system. The ink is flowing into the cartridge by gravity. So by the weather, by the circumstance, or if you run too many times printer cleaning, push the ink back to the reservoir. so it keep on running out. But it's still printing, even though it's all the ink ran out from the cartridges. But the whole color is missing. People think it's clogged, but it's not. So I'm gonna do that, and then usually, like when I buy the used printer or like collecting the used printer from the consumer, mostly at the head are clogged, but this not. The head looks okay, so I'm not gonna do any cleaning, but to clean the head not manually. But usually when not clogged, I use this injection tip with a syringe on it, and then put some cleaning solution, put that thing on this syringe on top of the little tip in the head, and shooting the cleaning solution by manually. So okay, this is a syringe, and this is the suction tips. Actually, these are made for HP cartridges, but I can use that, but it won't fit in there, so I gotta put little piece of the sleeve filler. Make sure when you're doing this, wear the glove, because these are dye-based inks, so once you get the ink on your hand, it stays a little long. Kind of like take a few days to wipe them off. Let me just plug first. See, easy, just put in there, push down, pull out slowly. Okay, ink black is full. This side. I think the previous owner done that already. Cyan, it's also full. The red almost out. See the ink. The arrows also have ran out. I need one more filler. Okay. Alright, done. Let's put it back. Zenka. cyan. A lot of people like throwing the printer away because of this problem. iPhone really doesn't help with that because even though you call the tech support, you know, they may not able to help you because that's just natural happen to using this ink system. Alright. Clean the surface. I'm going to take the paper out. Doing this jammed on the, you know, every time when you put the paper, when you had a paper jam problem, pull it out from the back, not from the, don't pull from the front, because the clutch gear is like turning clockwise, but if you pull it front, then it's turning back unclockwise, so the clutch gear is kind of like break. There's a crack on it, and then she keep on showing you paper jam even doesn't have any. I seen a lot of like people posting that problem on the Facebook group, the EcoTank group. So when that happens, you know, you gotta. I mean, I can fix it, but you know, it's not worth to fix it because it takes like a lot of time. You gotta disassemble the whole printer and then. But problem is that you know, it's cannot find the parts. They don't sell the parts, so I gotta pull it out from the old one or broken one and put it back. So I got to disassemble two of the printer, put it back in, and then charging one. So it's not worth doing it. So get the new one when that happens. Okay, I'm done. Let me just run one more time. And today I'm gonna test the copy. And then and reset the printer for factory default mode and test page out, and then I'm gonna check the Wi-Fi. Sometimes like the touch screen doesn't work to put in a password, you know, sometimes like pushing the different numbers, so I'm gonna check on that too. And then I'm gonna check on the scan too. And what else? That's it. And then I'm gonna apply the armor on the exterior, make it shiny, look nice. You can use car armor, you know, dashboard armor. So, right. Maybe required maintenance because the printer was not turned off correctly. Dismiss. Not wrong with the printer. Dismiss. Print. Alright. So I'm gonna run the test page, the copy. This also can be scanned too. Oops. Looks good to me. Okay. It's probably almost, and then after this, I'm gonna set the Wi-Fi, and then print out something like color first pages. Make sure all colors print out good, and then take a photo together and then post it on a styling website. Thank you for watching my video. I know it's easy, simple, but you know a lot of people doesn't know how to deal with it. So I'm gonna keep on the video for how to recondition the printer. You know, when you buy the new one or when you buy the used one, mostly like used one have a like little problem. You know, easy fix. So maybe you can find your problem from my video too. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.